With Fergus, adding stock to your jobs is simple, whether you're using the web version or the app. Let's walk through how to add stock to a job via the desktop and make edits as needed. Start by navigating to the job card. Here, you'll find a tab labelled Stock on Hand/Other. Click on this tab to begin. Now, a quick note about this section. You can use it to track any costs you'd like to add to the job, not just stock items. To add stock to a job, use the line item bar, just like you would when quoting, estimating, or invoicing. You can search for existing items from your price books, or type a custom entry and press enter to manually add a line item. Pro tip: when adding custom line items, ensure the correct sales account code is assigned. By default, Fergus applies the material sales code, but if you've added something like a labour line item, you'll need to update the sales account code accordingly. If you've set up favourites, you can save time by adding groups of items all at once, rather than searching for them individually. Once your line items are added, whether by you or through the Fergus Go app, they'll appear in a list within this tab. You can edit any item directly by clicking on the fields, or delete items by selecting the X button to the right of each line. And that's it! Managing stock in Fergus is quick, easy, and flexible.